Hey friends, today in this video I will show you that how you can generate a landing page or a website, for your business, and you can go from idea to live website just within few seconds, and how you can do this using an incredible tool that is called InstaWebAI. This is professional multi-page websites with AI. So here you can see like no coding, no design skills needed, just describe your business and watch how this AI tool can create a beautiful, stunning and a professional website instantly. So if you don't have web development skills, so no need to worry, because here you can create your landing page or website without having the programming or coding or CMS skills. So here we will type, like you can see here, the name is Fatima IT Solutions, and here we will type like generate a landing page for my institute with courses menu, location menu and admission form, and click on generate your website. So you can see like the website, people are creating it so fast, so easy, it feels like magic. So we will click on generate our website. So it's analyzing the company unique details to create a tailored professional website. So the AI tool is working, and we can see like what it will build. It's loading, and just few seconds we need to wait, and the high quality professional website will create. We just type the name of our business, and then I just type like I want to generate a landing page for my institute with courses menu, location menu and admission form. And you can see just one more thing. So you can create an account to edit, customize and publish your website. So you can continue with email, for example. Perfect. So you can see here the website, the Fatima IT Solutions, and here you can see courses menu, also location menu, also then about services, testimonials, admission and contact. So you can see advance your IT career at Fatima IT Solutions. And why choose this container, you can see like the courses, also locations, also see about us, our services. So everything is there in the website, and even we can see the admission form, as I typed in my prompt that I need an admission form as well. So you can see everything has been done successfully. How your website will look in tablet devices, you can see here, and how it will look in mobile devices, you can see here. So you can edit site from here. So you can see you don't have, here you can see selection, you don't have any selected element. So select an element from the canvas, pick any style from the style catalog. So you can see, for example, if I want to edit this one, so advance your IT careers like increase your IT skills. See how easily we can do it. And now if I want to change, for example, our courses, so this one you can see everything is here. So this is heading, you can see heading, see this is web development. For example, I want to type here like WordPress. See, everything we can change. The layout, the size, space. You want to type like padding from top, from bottom, from right, from left. So everything you can type here. You see the padding is now here. So it's padding, by default like 0. Locations you want to edit, like you can see here, this one, see? So everything you can change here, like Pakistan. So it has been changed. You can add a section, for this you can see AI powered block creation. So you can describe the block section you want to create and it will be added just above the currently selected section. So here you can type like this is an example, a vibrant hero section with a catchy headline, a brief description, and 2 call to action buttons with different styles. See, so we can type here, for example, a FAQs section with the 5 questions and their answers related to admission and courses, and click next, and you can see generate with AI. So the AI will create this block, and still you can edit that block. Amazing. You can see like frequently asked question as I typed the prompt, and here you can see 5 questions. We can also see like how do I apply it. So you can use this design, and here you can see we have FAQs. So we can edit this one, everything we can edit. See, incredible. So once you have done everything, only the thing is like you can upgrade it, unlock all features. So you have 70 credits also we have. So so the thing is like when you click on publish and share, so you are one step away from launching your website. So you can see it's like $25 per month. An annual, like you are paying only $250 per year. See how much you are saving. Like you have free hosting with SSL encryption. So you don't need to pay like hosting yearly cost, and you are not paying to your web developer, for development skills to develop the website. So a lot of money you are saving here. So only using this AI tool, you can build the modern business website, and then you can publish it. So I will, recommend you to go with this powerful professional or agency, package. So once you have done, so you can easily publish your website. So in this video, we have learned how we can, generate the website for our business using InstaWebAI. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please share the video, and also subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much once again.